Josie Bird and Larissa Goodwill. Iron Boy, stand by. Yeah, it really helps in all these women, don't it? Hey, Lawrence. Iron Boy, 2 times if you would. Thank you, Iron Boy. All right, ladies, come on over here one more time. Spectators, stand by. It's getting down. It's serious. We need your attention. We need your loyalty. We need your fair and impartiality. Yeah. We need you the Indian way. All right, here we go. Line it up, number 1. What do you think? Contestant number 2. Contestant number 1. Contestant number 2. Larissa, you move it on, girl. All right.